Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, you are welcome. Please feel free to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share, like, comment and give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and learn from it. On today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to cut and sew this beautiful and stylish v-neck line top with front design, and it's going to also have puff sleeve on it. So guys, you are going to learn a lot on this tutorial today, so I will implore you to sit back and enjoy this video because we are going to learn how to cut and sew this beautiful style on your own. We are going to learn how to cut and sew it. I'm going to teach you guys how to cut and sew it on your own. So we are using Duchess material to make this beautiful style, very beautiful color that we are using. So guys, you can also bring out your material so that you can also learn how to cut and sew it on your own. Just bring out your material now. So you can also check our other tutorials on my YouTube channel so that you can also learn how to cut these other styles that we have on my channel. So if you are interested to know how we are able to cut and sew this stylish style, please keep on watching to the end. So guys, let's get started now with the tutorial.
So this is our material that we are using to make this beautiful top that will have puff on it. So I will start with my measurement. That is my measurement for my neck. That is 3 and it's a V neckline, and that is 7.5 that I have for my V neckline, and that is the rolling line. So just keep watching and watch it to the end, please guys. So I want to also cut the front neck and back neck. So 1 inch is what I bring out there. So that's my shoulder line. My shoulder line that I'm having there is 8. So that's my shoulder line there. And from there, that is where we'll get our bust measurement. And to slope it is 1 inch that I use for the shoulder. So that's my bust I want to measure. So what I'm using there is 11. So that is the curving side of it. And my length that I'm using there is 22. And my length to bring the half length is 16, and that is the 16. So that's where you get your waist measurement. So that's my waist measurement. What I have there is 10.5. The downside of it is 11.5. So that's my connection. I've connected it. So that is the front that we are making first. So I want to cut the neck. So I'm cutting it round to get our back neck because I'm using it to cut the back. But what I'm doing here is the front that we are making first, that is we are cutting, and it will have a front design neck at the V. So you will see it and I will show you how to do it. So just keep watching and watch it to the end. So this is the back side of it now. So I will use the front to lay at the back so that we'll cut it out. So that's what I'm doing here now. So we just lay it very well so that we'll now use it to cut at the back side. Remember, I used the front to cut at the back neck first, and that is what I'm using now to cut the back actually. So this is how you go about it when making your own. Just look at everything that I'm doing and also have your fabric so that you can also learn and cut this beautiful style that we are making with this top. And the top, remember, it will have a puff sleeve, and the shoulder side I will plait it out like the sleeve, while the down of the sleeve it will have elastic on it that will make it to puff out. So this is how you go about it. So that is the neck now that I want to cut. That is the front neck of our V-neck. So this is what I've done there now. That is the neck now. So just let me open it for you to see how the neck has come out. I will cut it out. So please guys, subscribe to my channel, watch my video to the end, and share it to your friends so that they too can learn from it. So can you see how it is now? So this is the sleeve. So that is the sleeve that I folded there. The width that I'm using there is 13.5, while the length is 13. So we'll go and stitch it to the machine and bob it out. And also for the shoulder side, I have to plait it. Remember, it will add plating at the shoulder side of it. And this is what I'm showing you how it will be. So that we'll use elastic to pass it with our safety pin. So we are done with that. So the next step now is for us now to gather it now. So this is the gather that I want to gather it with my elastic, using my safe pin to fix on it and pass it through. And that is what you can see me doing. So I want you guys to do it the way you are seeing me doing. Do it exactly and have your fabric and do it, please guys, so that you can be able to make this beautiful top that we are making, that we have a front design at the v-neck. So I'll also show you that. Just keep watching and watch it to the end, please. So this is how we have put our elastic to our downside of our sleeve so that it will puff out. So the upper side, I've gone to the machine to stitch it. That is the two sleeve is come out. So now we'll go and fix it now. So this is the one that we'll use for our neck at the front. So just look at what I'm doing there now. So the width is what I want to cut now. What I'm having there is 1.5 that I'm marking, and to get our length also is, I'll also show you what I have there. So that is my length. The length that I'm having there is 11. So that is the 11 there. So we'll cut it out now and also use another fabric to turn it out and iron it out and fix it to the neck that we are making. It's a front v-neck, and this is what we'll go and stitch on the front v-neck. So I've done it. So this is the neck. So I want to show you how to fix it. Just look at what I'm doing here. I've ironed it. So I want to fix it to the neck now. So I want to measure it where we'll start to fix it. So I'll use my tape rule. What I'm marking there is 1.5, and this is how you will do it on your own. Just watch every detail that you are seeing me doing. So that's 1.5 from the shoulder, because I've already joined the shoulder front and the front and back shoulder. So we are marking where we'll face this our v neck design that we want to make. So this is how you also go about it. So I'm using my pin to pin it down. So this is what you will do. So this is how it will look like. So can you see how it is? You have never sewn it out, it has come out. So this is how you will fix it when making your own. So it's a fine design that we are making on this top, and the top have a puff sleeve on it. So what I will do now, we'll go and stitch it out, and before you know it will be ready, and we'll wear it out for you to see. So this is how you also make your own when doing your own. Please guys, watch my video to the end and subscribe to my channel. Share it to your friends, give it a thumbs up. So our neck, everything is ready now. So what I want to do now is for me now to use my button to put it down. So I'm still marking where we'll take it to from the shoulder. Remember, that is what I'm telling you earlier. From the shoulder is where you will mark. So what I'm marking there is that 1.5. So I will use press button to put it, and that is press button on it now. So this is another trick that you can use to put on this neck that we are making. So I want to use press button to do it and press it. So this is the press button that I'm bringing out for you. What I showed you before is you can use your machine to sew it down, but I'm using this one to put it. That is the press button. So it's another trick. So the one you prefer, you can use it, but this the one that I want to use actually. So just watch everything that you are seeing me doing and do it, and it will come out perfect. It will come out good. So I will use my press button to fix it. So we'll fix the thread and use hand to tack it, and we'll wear it out, and before you know it will be ready. So I will use needle to do that. So this is how it will come out, and it will be ready.
Yes, we have come to the end of another great tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you also learned something new. You saw how we're able to use two methods to fix this front design. We have two methods that I taught you guys. First, you can use your machine to stitch it. The second one, you can use your pin, your hand to tack it, your hand needle to tack it. So please support my channel by watching my tutorials to the end. It's another way for you to support my channel to grow. Please subscribe to my channel. You can share and like and comment, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload beautiful tutorials like this, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. let's do this again. On Wednesday, by God grace, we are going to upload another video again. Bye bye.